Can you tell the difference between an action verb and a linking verb? Hello mga ka-learning! This is Teacher Jaay. Welcome back to my channel, Learning for All Seasons. In this video, I will discuss common linking verbs which are related to 5 senses. I will also give a hint if the verb is a linking verb or an action verb.
To tell the difference, you have to pay attention to how each type of verb is used in a sentence.
Linking verbs do not show action. They are used to link or connect the subject and to the complement, whereas action verbs tell what someone or something is doing.
The verbs appear, become, feel, grow, get, look, seem, smell, sound, stay, taste, turn, and remain are also called linking verbs or sense verbs. They may either be used as linking verbs or action verbs. Let's have the following sentences and analyze the differences. James' morning swim felt refreshing. James felt the coldness of the water. The verb used in the following sentences is felt. The word felt can be used as a linking verb or action verb. But how is the verb felt used in each sentence? So let's have the hint. Replace the linking verb with a form of be, such as am, is, are, was, were, and others. If the sentence makes sense, the verb replace is a linking verb. But if it doesn't make sense, the verb is an action word. Let's go back to our first sentence. James' morning swim felt refreshing. Let's replace the word felt with the linking verb was, since the verb felt is past tense and the subject is singular. So let's have James' morning swim was refreshing. Does it make sense? So, the verb felt is a linking verb. How about the second sentence? James felt the coldness of the water. Let's change the verb felt to a linking verb was, since the verb is into past tense and the subject is singular. James was the coldness of the water. Does it make sense? Of course not. Therefore, felt is an action verb. Now, let us practice what you have learned. Identify if the verb used in each sentence is a linking verb or action verb by substituting it with a form of be such as am, is, are, was, were, and others. Lito grew vegetables in his garden. Let's change the verb grew to was because the verb grew is past form and the subject is singular. So let's have Lito was vegetables in his garden. Does it make sense? Therefore, grew is an action verb. Paul appears bored with his job. Now, change the verb appears to is, because appears denotes the present time, and the subject is singular. So let's have Paul is bored with his job. Does it make sense? Then the word appears is used as a linking verb. My sisters became successful lawyers. The verb used in the sentence is became, past tense in form. Now, change it to were because the subject is plural. My sisters were successful lawyers. Does it make sense? The verb became is used as a linking verb in the sentence. Tony smells the hot soup. The verb used in the sentence is smells, present form. Then, change it to is because Tony is singular. Let's have Tony is the hot soup. Does it make sense? The verb smells is used as an action verb. Here are the points to remember.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have requests, questions, suggestions, don't forget to type in the chat box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell for more updates. Till then, hello mga ka-learning! Welcome to my channel. This is Teacher Jaay, Learning for All Seasons. Baliktad.
Go.
Baliktad.